I am Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have an exciting new subscription for you. This is from a company called BOLZANO, and they have accessories as well as purses, handbags, that sort of thing. And they just started doing a subscription service so you can get a new handbag every month. And you fill out a style questionnaire quiz type thing so that they can, you know, tailor it to your fashion style and needs. So I just got this in the mail. I haven't opened it yet. I'm very curious to see what they sent me. So the monthly cost is, if you want accessories and a bag, it's $33.99 a month, I think. Let me double check that price. Okay, so for accessories and a bag, it's $33.95. If you just want the bag, it's $28.95. You can also prepay for 4 months or yearly as well. They also, on their site, they have deals of the week, and they have just, you know, handbags for sale and accessories for sale, that sort of thing. So if you don't necessarily want a new bag every month, you can always just get a one-off. But this is a really great deal because most of their handbags are far more expensive than $35 a month. So I'm so excited. Let's see what they sent me. And this is evidently from their new fall line. How cute is this? Oh, I'm excited. Oh, and these must be the accessories. Let's see, let's see. Is this like a bracelet and a ring? These are made from cables. Do you see this? This is really interesting. I love stuff like this that's like repurposed, you know, I don't know what the heck you call this, but this is really cool. And I like the ring too. How fun! I'm not wearing any jewelry right now. I was really excited about opening this. I wasn't even going to film today, but then I got this package and I was like, I have to go do this. Ooh, ooh, look at this. Oh, what a pretty shiny scarf. Wow, this is beautiful. Look at this. I love it. How cute! Oh my word. This is just darling. I don't know what you would do with this. I guess you could tie it around your neck. I know people do that. I don't know what to do with silky scarves like this, other than like maybe wear them in my hair. So cute, so cute. And let me check out this bag a little bit more. This is a great size, and I quite honestly do not own a brown purse. Okay, so we have an optional strap plus the handles, which I like. We've got, let's see, a zipper pocket inside as well as 2 side pockets. The opening isn't super big. That might be my only complaint, but it doesn't look like it's going to be that big of an issue, quite honestly. I think it's really cute. What do you guys think? Well, what a fun subscription. I'm really excited about this. I have to go pick up my kids and run off to a Girl Scout meeting, so I am off, but I wanted to share that with you guys really quickly. I will leave all of the information in the description box if you are interested. I think this is a super duper fun subscription box. And also just check out their website, you know. Okay, well, thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!